Am I the only one that didn't know why cats purr? Let's uncover this feline mystery together. So, why do cats purr? It's not just because they're happy. Cats can purr when they're relaxed, but also when they're scared, in pain, or even hungry. It's their way of communicating and self-soothing. But here's the cool part. Purring can actually help cats heal faster. Those gentle vibrations can reduce pain and swelling, and even repair bones. It's like their own built-in medicine. So, the next time your cat purrs, you'll know they're sharing a little secret with you. Isn't that awesome? Don't forget to hit the like button if you love cats, and subscribe for more fun feline facts. See you in the next video.